Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Windows Update download error 0x800f0805, then let's look at the following options. So the first option is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. For that we need to right click here on the start button, look for settings, click on system, troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and press the run button on the corresponding Windows Update panel, and that should resolve the problem. But if it doesn't, then we need to restart some of the services. So we will go to services, click on services, and look for Windows Update service. Here you go, this is a Windows Update service. Right click and press on restart, start or restart. Now we will look for the Business Intelligent Transfer Service, Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service and restart. And finally, we will restart the cryptographic services and click yes. Now this should resolve the issue. If this doesn't work, then we will have to do a system cleanup. So go to disk cleanup, press yes, and check all these boxes and click OK, delete files, and that should do the work for you. Now, if this too fails, we have only one last failsafe option, and that is to check for command prompt. Right click, run as admin, yes, and input the command sfc space slash scan now, SCANNOW. Press enter and the error should no longer appear. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy the day.